Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription on Tradingview. So first, open your web browser. Today we are using Google Chrome and go to the official website of Tradingview, tradingview.com. And here, make sure you're signed in. On the top right corner of your screen, you will see your user icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Now find for profile settings. Click on it. On the secondary navigation tab, you will see account and billing. Now click on that. Scroll down until you see current plan. Under that, you will see what subscription plan you are subscribed to. Now you should see a cancel subscription button on the right side of your subscription plan. Click on that and it will take you to further steps until you are finished. Basically, that's it.